Hi, welcome to today's learning session. In Acceldata Data Observability Cloud, users can create a data reconciliation policy between two assets of similar type or between assets that can be profiled. Reconciliation policies allow us to compare the data in the source assets and sync assets. In this video, you can learn how to set up a reconciliation policy. The product allows to set up 3 types of reconciliation policies. Even though the setting of the policies is similar, we need to understand the differences between the 3 policies. The first type is data equality. In this type of reconciliation policy, the system joins both data sources based on the ID column provided and tries to evaluate the condition provided on the selected columns. If any one or more of the provided conditions on columns fail, then the policy execution result will be marked as failed. Hash data equality policy is the second type of reconciliation policy. In hash data equality match, the system joins both data sources based on the ID column provided and tries to compute a hash for the complete row on each side. It then equates both the computed hashes, and if they do not match, the policy execution result will be marked as failed. The third type of policy is profile equality match. In this reconciliation policy type, the system fetches the profile of the data from both sides independently and then compares them. The policy execution result will be marked as failed if the profile does not match. Always remember, to set up any type of reconciliation policy, we should have at least one common column in the source asset and sync asset to join the assets. After logging into the application, click on the Add New button on the top right corner and select the reconciliation policy from the policies list. Now, select the source and sync asset by navigating through the data sources. Here we are selecting the asset, auth_request from the Snowflake data source, and asset, auth from S3 data source. After entering info about the policy, select the type of policy. Here we are selecting data equality type. Now select the columns from both assets to join the assets. We are selecting column trans ID from both the left column and the right column. The next step is to select columns to evaluate a condition on the columns. In this example, we are going to validate the data in the column postal zip in both assets is equal or not. As the last step, enable and save the policy. Now we have successfully created the policy. To execute the policy right away, go to the policies pages in the data reliability section and click the play button on the right side of the policy description. We can execute the policy either on the full data or selected data. Here we are executing policy on all the data. After the execution of the policy, we can see the execution details and overall quality score. Here, as we can see, the quality score is 37.5%. That means only 37.5% records are successful against the data equality validation. We can create multiple policies like this and make sure the highest quality data is forwarded. We have more learning videos available at our website www.acceldata.io.